Yeah, hi. So welcome to Titan Crushing with the flagship brand of diamond crushers. Here we would like to introduce our state-of-the-art 200 TPH jaw crusher, which is a 4232, designed with all our experiences of 40 years in the crushing industry. And since known to be a pioneer in jaw crushers, we have given a state-of-the-art machine which is going to be used for the hardest of rocks pan-India and including the riverbed material. Here we are now introducing our 250 TPH wheel-mounted plant, which has been completely designed in-house, manufactured in-house, with the best throughput that can be ever achieved in the industry. The cone crusher has been completely manufactured in-house with an in-house foundry facility. So we are proud to launch our 250 TPH cone crushers, which is very extremely successful in all rocks, especially in the hardest of granites, basalt, riverbed material. We have also commissioned one of the major machines in the northeast of India, where it's a tough market with a tough rock. And here this is a state-of-the-art, again, completely designed in-house with an entire 180 to 150 TPH single station with the jaw, cone and the vibrating screen on single chassis, which was completely designed, manufactured in our Bangalore unit. And we are proud to launch this in the XCon. And we have got a range on a single chassis from 80 ton per hour to 150 ton per hour. We are extremely proud to and pleased to take part in this BAUMA CONEXPO 2024 and showcasing our vertical shaft impactor, which is one of its kind in India, where the design is oil-based, and a very simple feature, but with a very important feature, is having both the motors on one side. And we have got ranges ranging from 220 HP to 670 HP. And we are also proud to announce that this machine at 670 HP is already sold to a customer in Rajasthan who's going to be crushing a lot of silica sand and finally removing an output of -4 M. Thank you.